everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. This is a very short video on a test ride for the new camera that I have got. So please do check out and let me know how it is.
Coming out to the light